In this video, I'll show you how to clear your watch history on Peacock. Step 1. Open the Peacock app or website. Launch Peacock on your mobile, TV or web browser and go to the Continue Watching section. Step 2. Locate the show or movie to remove. Find the show or movie you'd like to clear from your watch history or continue watching list. Step 3. Finish playing the content. Play the title and fast forward to the last minute or so until it finishes. Do not let the next autoplayed episode or movie start. Step 4. Confirm content is removed. Once the last minute ends, the title should be removed from your continue watching queue automatically. Step 5. Repeat for multiple shows. You can repeat for additional shows or movies you want to clear from your history. Now I have some tips for you. Peacock no longer offers a direct remove button for continue watching entries. Completing or fast forwarding content tricks the system into clearing the entry. If new episodes release, they will reappear in continue watching until completed again. Use the pause and fast forward for easier navigation when clearing. And that's how you clear your watch history on Peacock. It can be a bit of a hassle sometimes, but this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe.